Trump and Putin to meet in Alaska today. Will the U.S. government buy Bitcoin? And Circle plans for a 10 million shares sale. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. Bitcoin's recent rally that sent the largest cryptocurrency by market cap to a new record high of $124,000 has come to a stall after hotter than expected PPI inflation data and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent's flip-flop on the U.S. government's Bitcoin purchases. In an interview on Thursday, the Treasury Secretary appeared to reverse course, saying the government remains committed to adding to its Bitcoin holdings in a budget-neutral way. Earlier in the day, Bessent said the strategic Bitcoin reserve would only consist of the $15 to $20 billion in coins already held, but no new purchases were being contemplated. Adding to the anxiety, all eyes are on the high-stakes meeting today in Anchorage, Alaska, between President Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin. The meeting is the first U.S.-Russia summit since June 2021, which came 8 months before Putin invaded Ukraine. Trump has said the top priority will be to determine whether a ceasefire in Ukraine is possible. If that goal fails, markets could react. This cocktail of inflationary fears, confusing guidance from the Treasury, and geopolitical tension has sent Bitcoin sharply lower. As of this morning, Bitcoin is trading below $119,000. Are traders losing confidence in XRP? XRP fell sharply in the past 24 hours as large-scale liquidation swept through the market, pushing the token to its lowest levels in over a week. The price of XRP dropped from $3.34 to near $3.10 after over $1 billion was liquidated and record intraday selling volume. Despite the drop, late session buying hints at renewed accumulation from large holders as selling pressure eased. Traders are watching for critical institutional support near $3.05. Traders are watching for critical institutional support near $3.05.
Midnight is introducing a novel approach to token distribution. The Midnight Glacier Drop is the first in a multi-phase distribution of the Night token aimed at empowering a broad, diverse community to secure the future of the Midnight network. Holders of ADA, BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, BNB, AVAX, and BAT are eligible to participate in the Glacier Drop phase. Help usher in the next generation of blockchain with rational privacy and cooperative tokenomics on the Midnight network. To learn more about the Midnight Glacier Drop, visit midnight.gd and claim your night.
And Circle is planning to offer 10 million shares in a secondary stock sale priced at $130 a share. The price is more than quadruple Circle's IPO price of $31. The company debuted on the New York Stock Exchange in June. In a filing with the SEC, the stablecoin issuer disclosed that it is offering 2 million shares of its Class A common stock, while existing shareholders are putting up the other 8 million. The company will use the proceeds from the sale of its shares for general corporate purposes and won't receive any proceeds from the shareholder sale. As of market open, Circle's CRCL is trading at around $144, up over 3%. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.